Student, today we are going to discuss 7. We know the history of India and Pakistan. In the year 1947, two separate nations were emerged, and it was the policy of Britishers to differentiate and to create two separate nations. In this way, India and Pakistan emerged as a separate nation in the year 1947. On this backdrop of this partition, there is a novel written by Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, we are going to study. But before that, we will study some historical topics, survey topics, in order to understand the term in detail, partition literature. Partition, so this is the image of partition that you will find that what type of havoc that was created in during the partition period. How the people they migrated from different from two nations. That means we know that with the partition there emerged two nations, India and Pakistan. Pakistan for Muslim people and India majority for the Hindu people. In this way, the people who were living in uh, Hindustan and who were Muslims, they migrated to Pakistan, a separate nation, especially for Muslim people. And the people who were earlier living in Pakistan, now they have to migrate to Hindustan, that is to India, through the trains. In this way, this is the migration picture. Now, what are the causes and effects of partition? Now, why the partition took place, or what are the reasons behind the partition of India? So, these are the reasons that we come across regarding partition of India or partition of Hindustan, what we can see in the year 1947. The first reason is activities of the Muslim League. Second reason is Congress policy of appeasement. Third reason is communal reaction. Fourth one, Congress policy of strengthening India. Fifth, formation of Pakistan. And number six, transfer of power. So these are the some reasons which were responsible for the separate Pakistan and separate India during the year 1947. So let us study the first reason, the first cause of the partition. The first cause of partition is activities of the Muslim League. Now, during the independent period or during the British period, what we can say, we understand that India was the British colony, and in this way, the British government they ruled in over Indian community. So, Britishers they have used their own strategic point. That means they want to destroy the communal harmony between the Indian people. Majority of the people they will either Hindus or Muslims, and in this way they want to divide and rule over India. So that was the policy of British government, and so in order to support their policy of British government decided to create a separate party, especially for the Muslims. And in this way, the creation of the Muslim League, this was the party especially made for a Muslim, and it was fully supported by the British government. And the Muslim League came into existence. So on that political event, we will understand that the Muslim League was opposing the Congress party, which was the largest party of Hindustan at that time, and it comprises various leaders from various communities, various caste, religions. But Britishers want to divide and rule, and so therefore they started to support the Muslim League party, which was specially made for the Muslim community or Muslim people. The second thing is that uh, the Muslim League it was uh, basically supported or it was presided by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah he was the leader of the Muslim League party, and he had designed his own theory, and his theory is called as a nation theory. So that means nation theory means he want to divide in Hindustan, and he want a separate nation for Muslim people. And so therefore this was the idea of Muhammad Ali Jinnah to find out a solution for this problem. And in this way, through Muslim League, the British government tried to poison uh, the minds of the people, especially the Muslim people. They try to convert the Muslim people into communalist, or they want a communalism. That means they want to differentiate the people on the basis of caste and religion. In this way, Britishers were responsible for creating the Muslim League, and in this way, before the partition of India, the activities of the Muslim League was or it was responsible